this box? What's in that bag? What kind of treasures to be had? Let's explore the internet, the internet, the internet, the internet. We'll discover this and more when we do. The internet, the internet, when we do the internet.
I'm Angela.
And I'm Amanda.
And we do the internet! Welcome back.
Hi.
We're back.
Today we're going to do an unboxing video.
Yes, I have something in a box.
Oh.
Right, can you see it? Can you see it?
I can see it.
It's the Pasheen Surprise Plush. This is from Series 3. And it's called Places Cats Sit. So,
Places Cats Sit. Okay.
yeah. Yeah, alright. Well, should I open it? I only have one shot, so if I mess this up...
That's true. Let's unbox it.
Let's unbox. Are we ready? Let's open it.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Got a little question mark. What's it gonna be?
Yeah.
Okay, are we ready?
Oh, I'm ready. Oh my gosh. It's so cute.
It's just a cat wearing sunglasses on a beach towel.
It's a cool cat.
It's just a little guy.
Oh my gosh.
Based on this box, it looks like you can get different things for your kitty cat to sit on, and you can mix and match them. So I could get a piano next time, and this cool cat could be on a piano. Pretty good.
Amazing.
It's pretty good. I'm gonna put him on my keys.
You're gonna have to buy them all now.
I do. I will.
All right, that's pretty great.
What do you have?
Okay, guys. So I don't know if you noticed, but I'm feeling the local vibes.
Looks good.
And if you happen to stumble across our video and don't know us, we're from Sacramento, California. You might be surprised, but that's a place that doesn't just exist in Greta Gerwig movies. And today I want to share with you some of my favorite local bands, because a certain someone named Alec Roberts is doing a special service where he's making handmade cassettes, where if you send him $10, he'll make the art and the music and send it to you on a cassette.
Cool.
So, I just wanted to plug some bands. I'm a fan of his. This one's Nacho Business. It's designed by yours truly, so, you know.
It's very familiar.
Back. You might be able to get this if you're in Sacramento at Phono Select or SacramentoRecords.com, maybe? Yeah. So you should definitely check it out. Nacho Business, super great band. And one of my favorite bands of all time is called The Nightmares. Sometimes it has a K in the front. Sometimes it doesn't. They mixed it up. This is a super great album. It's called Off the Record. I think they might have one at Phono Select or again, SacramentoRecords.com. They're super great. And Alec Roberts was in both of those bands. He is no longer living in Sacramento. He lives in Japan. So I got this special delivery of a cassette tape from him. And I've had it for maybe a week and a half, but I wanted to save it for all of us to enjoy together. And I can't believe I had the willpower to do that.
That's impressive.
But we're going to open this little guy, see what we get. Maybe listen to a tune. See how we feel about it.
It's like a good night.
Yeah. Okay, so I got this lovely package in the mail. I put some butterfly stickers over the addresses. I don't know, just in case.
Yeah, that's a secret.
Let's see. I'm gonna rip it. Okay. Oh, got a little postcard. Oh, it says, "Dear Amanda, I hope you're doing cool shit every day. Love, Alec." Gorgeous. Okay. Got the cassette tape. Let's see.
Can I have that bubble wrap?
You sure can. You and your cat can play with it.
Yay!
Okay. Getting that. We got Kids Club. It's a little violent. Maybe he's been in Japan too long and taken in those Japanese movies. Okay. Kids Club Stepmother. Woo! Okay. Guys, what's going to be on this tape? I don't know. Oh. Stepmother. Okay. Oh. We've got a message. I don't know. I don't know if I should share it. We'll see. Let's maybe we should listen to this tape, guys. Okay, we got my Kids Club Stepmother tape. We're gonna try to play maybe the first song, see what happens. First I gotta take out this En Vogue tape. Okay. Are you ready?
I'm totally ready.
Okay, here you go. Candy for lunch? You're really speaking my language.
Yeah.
Singing with a lot of intensity. He's very serious about candy for breakfast and lunch. Epic folk tale of our time.
I like everything about this.
Alec Roberts is great. Check out those records I told you about, dudes. SacramentoRecords.com. This is really making me happy. Holy shit.
I'm a little baby. Everybody loves me. I'm a little baby. Everybody
If you want a handmade tape, you go to handmadetapes.com. You gotta send him $10 bill. $10 bill only. He won't accept electronic payments. And you too can have a handmade tape. Are you still filming?
Huh.
Okay.
Great.
Well, guys, I can't think of a better segue for our next segment. Dylan does a thing.
Hi, I'm Dylan. I'm going to do a thing today. Today, I'm going to review 2 candies because I love candy so much. I'm allergic to everything in the air, but I love candy so much. So the first one I'm going to try, I'm already opening and I'm very excited. These are Maltesers. They're a traditional British candy, and they've just been brought to the U.S. for the first time. I've never had one. I imagine they taste like Whoppers, but I don't know. Oh my, okay. What? Oh no. Whack Brits. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like a Whopper, right? It's a Whopper. Okay. It's quite good, but it's a little different from a Whopper. Can't quite explain it. The chocolate's different. Okay, pretty good. The next one I'm gonna try. Oh, you should try these. I mean, if you like Whoppers, you should try them. They're not as hard as Whoppers. Softer. You know, Whoppers are like. Yeah. Anyway, that's a thing. So next I'm gonna try. It's almost Easter. I actually don't know when Easter is. If it's in March this year, I don't know. These are cotton candy flavored Peeps. I hate Peeps. So, let's try one, shall we? Oh, they come in little rows. It's not just one big thing. It's little rows. That's the thing about Peeps, is they're so cute. They're adorable, but they're so gross. So here goes. I'm going to just try one. They're a lot smaller than I thought they were, which is weird. I could see them, but here we go. I mean, if you like Peeps, this is great. Although, something is different about the sugar in this one. It's like hitting me in the back of the throat in a weird way. Don't recommend it. I did a thing.
Thanks, Dylan. That
Thanks,
was great.
Dylan. You did that thing. Candy for breakfast.
Candy for lunch.
I eat candy.
I eat a bunch.
Thank you, Alec Roberts. And thank you, everyone who is watching at home. We do
Do the
the internet!